New product update for the Coachmen Class A motorhome. So we're over here in the passenger armrest area. There's a huge cavern, and it would be terrific if we had a cup holder right here. So I went to Amazon, got a marine stainless steel cup holder, and I'm planning on putting it in here, but as you can see, this surface has got a little bit of a slope to it, and the cup would kind of, well, it wouldn't sit in there level, and you know, it would probably knock around and that kind of thing. So what we've done is engineered a angled spacer that fits right there. Of course, the cup holder will go into that, and then it'll mount right there. So I am going to drill a hole for this, and what we have is a template. So if you want one of these, a template will come with it. I basically just cut this out of the template. It'll give us a drill point, and get yourself a 3 5/8 hole saw. I'll put a link to all these things in the description, but we're going to drill a hole over here and install a cup holder. So let's do that. We just drilled a hole in a perfectly good panel to make it better. All right, I'm gonna have to get the vacuum cleaner, but let's see how that fits. And then this has got a double-sided tape, and I'll probably do the same thing on this one, so it won't wiggle around, but let's see how this looks. Oh, it's tight. Oh, look at that. Oh, I like it. I like it. I might make some tweaks, but it matches the 4-inch deep holder here in the armrest. So now Liz can have her cold beverage as we're driving down the road. It will be necessary to enlarge the hole with a file or a sharp knife, because going straight in is fine, but as soon as you start tilting the cup holder, the hole actually has to be bigger. It actually turns into kind of an oval. So you have to go through and enlarge it a little bit with a file. Before you install your cup holder, removing the backing from the double-sided tape, make sure you clean the area really good with an alcohol prep pad. You don't want to have any type of residue on there, because you want it to stick really, really good. So we're going to clean this up really, really well, wait for it to dry, and then assemble our new custom cup holder. So, all right, God bless you on the next video. Sweet. He's gonna look at the camera. All right.